Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will solve the second challenge of Autonomous Agents module. The name of the challenge is Establish Trust with Autonomous Agents. Let's move to the challenge. So we have some theory questions here. Let's solve the first one. Which of the following is an important guardrail to consider when building and integrating autonomous agents? So the most important guardrail to consider when building and integrating autonomous agent is to provide human oversight for complex or sensitive interactions. So B is the right answer for the first question. Let's move to the second one. When you deploy an autonomous agent to interact with customers, it's important to be transparent about what? So it is always important to be transparent about agents' limitations when we deploy an autonomous agent to interact with the customers. So A is the right answer for the second question. Let's check whether we have done it correct or not. So yes, we completed the challenge and got 100 points for this. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.